This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your target is 3,840 by 2,160, so you design at native 4K and avoid scaling artifacts. Once done, open your chosen editor and import RAW or lossless sources because they hold detail you need. Make sure to work in a 16-bit or higher color depth to prevent banding. This matters for gradients. You're now ready to crop, compose, and maintain sharpness, beginning the creative steps without delay, focused on preserving pixels rather than enlarging them. You next create the final image by compositing and cropping at full 3,840 by 2,160, so your output fits screens perfectly. Once layers are arranged, use smart upscaling, AI or Lanxos, only if source is smaller. This preserves detail while preventing artifacts. Make sure to apply targeted noise reduction in textured areas, then selectively sharpen edges to restore perceived resolution. After harmonizing color and contrast, flatten and export a lossless master. This ensures the file stays crisp and ready. You finish by exporting a master file, PNG for lossless quality, high-quality JPEG for smaller size, or WebP to balance both. Always export at 100% and include sRGB for web use. Once exported, install it and set your OS scaling to fill or center so pixels map correctly. If the wallpaper looks soft or blurry, reopen the master, confirm it's 3,840 by 2,160, and re-export without resampling. Disabling automatic scaling on the desktop usually fixes this common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.